Hi guys, welcome back to Red Flower Farms. So today's soap, I am making a pink poppy soap. So the first thing I need to do is pipe some cold processed soap onto my mold. I got this mold from Craftsman Tools. They're an Etsy shop and I'll leave a link below. After I'm done piping all the sides, I am going to assemble it. So I got my oils here. In my oils I got clay and my fragrance oil, which is a Craftsman's Choice oil called Beneath the Stars. My base is going to be a solid white base with the polka dots on the side, so I just added up my titanium dioxide. And then next I'm going to add my lye solution with my goat's milk in it. My titanium dioxide is oil soluble, so I just add it straight into my oils and then mix it up pretty good. Alright, and now I'm pouring in my lye solution. In my lye I have, of course, the goat's milk, and then I also have the Tessa silk and some sodium lactate to help the mold not stick. Let me just check these screws, make sure they're nice and tight so it doesn't leak. And let's start pouring. Alright, looks good. No leaks. Alright, now I'm going to put the top on, and I'm going to put some weight on the top, that way it won't pop back up. And after 24 hours, I'm going to come back and cut it. Let's make some poppies. For poppies, they have like 4 to 5 petals. So I'm going to make a 4-petal poppy. So I'm just going to pipe 2 petals on the bottom, and then I'm going to slightly tip my piping tip up and pipe the other 2 on the other side. The piping tip I'm using is a 125. For the center of the flower, I'm using a star tip, which is a number 21. For the stamens, I'm using a number 3 writer's tip. I found that if I use a smaller writer's tip, it tends to get clogged more easily, so the writer's 3 works good for me. Alright, well, it's been 24 hours, so I'm going to unmold this and see how it turns out and cut it up. I love this fragrance oil. I'm going to have to use this again. It didn't accelerate and it didn't rise. It worked perfectly. And it smells so good. It has notes of grape, peach, rose, and musk. It's not too floral. It just smells really good. The polka dots are not perfect, but I think it turned out pretty cute. I like how it's all the way around the soap on the top, bottom, and sides. The soap mold that I have is a 9-inch soap mold, and I get about 9 bars out of it. I think in the future I need to order a slab mold from Craftsman Custom Tools, because I just love their molds. Next, I'm going to put the flowers on the bars and some pipes and leaves. And if you guys like the video, give me a thumbs up or leave a comment below if you have a question. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. Have a great day, guys, and enjoy the rest of the video.